Welcome to our channel. Today, we're thrilled to bring you some exciting news about the latest innovation in drone technology. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is set to make waves in the drone community with its impressive features and capabilities. From stunning camera quality to extended flight time, this new drone has a lot to offer. Let's dive into the details and see what makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro a game changer. Camera capabilities. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is equipped with an impressive 1-inch sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second. This means your aerial footage will be smoother, more detailed, and more cinematic than ever before. Whether you're a professional videographer or a hobbyist, enhanced camera capabilities will allow you to capture breathtaking shots with ease. The high-resolution sensor ensures that every detail is crisp and clear, making your videos stand out. Internal storage. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its generous 8 GB of internal storage. This substantial onboard storage capacity eliminates the need for frequent microSD card swaps, providing ample space to store a plethora of photos and videos. With this much storage, you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about running out of space. This feature is particularly useful for extended shooting sessions, ensuring that you have enough room to store all your high-quality footage. Flight time. The DJI Mini 5 Pro delivers an impressive 40 minutes of flight time, giving you ample opportunity to capture the perfect shot. This extended flight time is a significant improvement over previous models, allowing you to explore and film for longer periods without needing to recharge. Whether you're capturing a scenic landscape or following a fast-moving subject, the extended flight time ensures that you won't miss any important moments. This makes the DJI Mini 5 Pro a reliable choice for both professional and recreational use. Price. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to be priced between $750 and $800, making it an attractive option for both professional drone enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. This price range offers great value considering the advanced features and capabilities of the drone. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current drone or invest in your first high-quality drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro provides a compelling option that balances performance and affordability. Release date. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to launch in September 2024, sparking significant excitement in the drone community. This highly anticipated release follows the success of the DJI Mini 4, with the Mini 5 Pro rumored to bring substantial improvements in both hardware and features. Speculation suggests the Mini 5 Pro will feature a larger image sensor, enhanced camera capabilities, and a longer flight time, making it even more appealing for both hobbyists and professionals. With DJI's reputation for innovation in drone technology, many are eager to see what new creative tools and intelligent flight modes will be included in this model. The September 2024 release timing also aligns with DJI's traditional product launch cycle, often timed to make the most of the holiday season shopping surge. As the date nears, it's expected that more details will surface, possibly through leaks or official teasers from DJI. Many are looking forward to seeing if the Mini 5 Pro will justify its rumored higher price point with features like improved image stabilization, 4K video quality, and better wind resistance. For those passionate about aerial photography and videography, DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a must-have drone. Its expected advancements in camera tech, combined with its lightweight and portable design, make it an ideal tool for capturing stunning aerial footage in both casual and professional settings. Keep an eye out for more announcements as we get closer to the release date. Thank you for watching. We hope you're as excited about the DJI Mini 5 Pro as we are. With its impressive camera capabilities, generous internal storage, extended flight time, and competitive pricing, it's set to be a game changer in the world of drones. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more updates, and leave a comment with your thoughts on the new DJI Mini 5 Pro. We can't wait to hear what you think. Stay tuned for more exciting news and reviews.